Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to Sandy and Bone Stevie with the next banger from Queenie. You don't know. Big up my viewers, them and the subscriber, them same way. You see it? Yeah, man, if you not subscribe, you see it, you can just help our next brother and our next sister grow and just hit the subscribe button. You see it? Oh, there with Queenie, you see it? For you don't know, Queenie come down for wait and while, you see it? I could stay over Chilani there. But John no star Queenie act guilty right now. She left Dewey in England and people me jar her out and I say, yo mama, Dewey I go do some things and Queenie get wicked and wild over here, you see it. Yeah man, and she there talk about Sikka Rymes. If you don't know, say she lose a good friend and a good songwriter, said Speed, you see it. But you don't know, say Sikka Rymes do something for her, because she have a big song right now, because she can dip on some stage show and thing, you see it. So just go and drop on the comment in the comment section, anything you want to think about the video, said Speed, you see it. You might forward and hear Mama Queenie here say still, you see it, but she get dark around here this evening. Yeah man, you don't know, support her over if you're over in a Chilani or nowhere nearby. Yeah man, you can go check out the Queen tomorrow live, you see it. Yeah man.
Call up my husband name and I'm not stinking mouth, man. I'm not go. You know, and stop. Like run out my nerves on a go, man. Go look around the stuff, man. Step and do it, bum. Me can't stop doing on the type. On the stop rub things in my face and go suck out to no dirty nose hole and leave me alone. I move on the every minute. I hope you'll be able to say, stop, calm, do it. Name to me and allow my brains and go, man. Clat, and I want to stay like the way I do. The wall on the anchor where I type, and the man is a set at shit. Go watch him. You see me, I watch me there at Jamaica work. Love me, man. I come kiss out, me kiss out. I have enough for you. What we say, wet and why? I don't feel bad. Cuss out the to no go. I wet and while me say, some part where all of the bad. I have enough. I have enough. Go, man. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. I'm going to lock up to do it. I stop type to do it. Leave me the one. Me can't padlock my husband and allow. I leave me alone. I want to lift up the be yourself, Queenie. What, Mama Dan? In space seat, him nice. What, Mama General? See my dad there? That's Connor. I him say wet and naked. I know me not good enough sex in this. Calm myself.
Yeah, but tomorrow we not rush. Listen, the girl are two things me come from the life. Cause I don't want nobody feel like say them can style your thing. The girl, I want to make sure say she link you. Cause she said she want you come do something down on West Wednesday. So I tell her say the money have to right.
Yeah.
Say, if the money not right, the queen will not arrive. That are the first thing.
Thank you, cause your money proper, you know. Your money exclusively proper and super. Oh, me one day if I dream to backside. Look at me listen say, stand up, big up yourself. I so appreciate you know. The first time when you reach out to me, I say, Queenie, I will do platinum. Well, you never say platinum in so many words, but the way how you elaborate, I'm still just I got through free store flow, but you come out well.
No, but remember say there's only one queen in it.
Oh, the ear what the man say? It's all one me, same that's the sense. You can't take back the words then, but you can't sing the song. So after the song is me. Is the Sikka Rymes kill up himself? Sikka Rymes. So why you that you start kill up yourself? Leave me, I'm my best friend, and me and him don't talk. He's my best friend, I still love him. So you can't jeer me and trouble. When Sikka Rymes page me about him song, well, you have something to say. Sikka Rymes don't care about me, you, nor the song. So behave your little dirty self and go and get a wash. Go and wash your dirty self and behave, okay? Stop it. It's my voice. It's my vocal. And Sikka Rymes gave it to me. I told him I did not want it, and he said, took it. So now I took it. It's my voice and it's my song because it's my Dewey. What's the problem? If you don't want to sing it, don't come here and ring it in my ears to pest me. Tracy may I go tomorrow, wet and naked. You want to corrupt my brain, but you can't. It's on the deck. And Sikka Rymes was very proud. Big up Sikka Rymes, 100 years already. I'm telling you, I'm going to give Sikka Rymes 250,000. So don't worry about the money, because I mean, I like to share. So you see money where you have fret about, so may I get? I'm going to give Sikka Rymes too. If him don't want it, then just do it to charity. You understand me? Her Majesty, Queen Lady Gangster, I reign. You were stunner say a while ago? So when God bless you and say your time, nothing cannot stop it. So when God bless you and say your time, nothing cannot stop it. So better you beg me little of the money. And say, Queenie, next time you come on vacation, you can't be a PA. Put something back into the business. Put some effort back into the Queen. Know the word of the Queen. You see, where my name a while ago? What my friend name? Stunner. You saw Stunner a while ago? Yeah, put me to use. I have words, I have values, I have care, I have love. You understand me? Don't just to criticize me. And the more you chat me, the more I'm a fly. You understand me? Someone to take on the money and go gamble. You don't have no ability, you can't focus to even take a plane flight. So, I come and take a plane flight. That's a good step. That's a good move. That's living life. The Queen reign. That girl Queenie. Top girl never fly. What you talking about? Sikka Rymes coming in my life for 2 months and him can't come out. So when Una chat me and about Sikka Rymes, I will forever appreciate Sikka Rymes. It doesn't mean to say me anymore to eat fish and bread. You understand me? But I appreciate him. If you don't want me corruption, me not unpin you. Move your dot. Where place name where we bundle when it ready? Riverton. You smell like Riverton. Make sure you not come tomorrow. Me not unpin you. Unstoppably, you like the attention. You're supposed to get like a followers now. Yes, you're too enough. You want to style me and make me big problem with me and Sikka Rymes. You can't make no problem with Sikka Rymes. Sikka Rymes have his own mind and me have my own mind. Sikka Rymes running from me and me hide from him. It's quits. You understand me? But if Sikka Rymes give me the song because he love me and she said I can't deliver the song. Him not give you the song because you can't deliver it. It's my Dewey, as him said. Queenie, everybody has said Dewey. Sing about Dewey. Some will forever have that lodge in my head, the way him construct me and tell me. Some have to rate him all when me hide from him. You understand me? Him hide and me hide. It's quits. What is the problem? You want to make money. I make money because I am Queenie. You understand me? So right now, if Beyonce come out, Nicki Minaj and Cardi B and Rihanna and all of them girls, we want them to love J-Lo, power girl, all of them come and give me a hit. It doesn't make a difference. I am Queen. The people that want me for me. I am a also old person. Not just for music, just for being me, Queenie. You get it? If you don't get it, go ask Cartel man, he will tell you. You get it? Rambo, Pagambo. Yeah, but true though. Every time when I call up the man, stop call up Twinkle. Stop call up the man name and go man and leave the man alone. And the two miserable and cantankerous. When you have no life, nobody not send phone go wet and naked with threesome. So you just auntie and bad man, behave on yourself. Put in the hard work. You think me just get up and reach from me there? No. I work very hard. I get a lot of disrespect, a lot of stereotyping and a lot of judging. I'm still old and firm and